Hey guys, it's Chantel from Chantel Studio here. Today I'm going to show you a little tutorial on how to go from the beach straight out afterwards. Now we all know that it can be super time. Now as you know, we don't always have a ton of time Now as you know, we usually run out of time when you've been on vacation at the beach all day and you want to go for a nice dinner afterwards. So I want to show you a couple little tips and tricks on how to go straight to it. Now we all know that time is a major issue when you're on vacation. After playing on the beach all day, you want to go out, you want to look good when you go for dinner. I'm going to show you a couple of quick little tips and tricks on how to do that today. Since I'm coming to you guys from San Francisco, I've had to simulate the fresh off the beach Hawaii look. To prep my skin, I've used Garnier BB cream. I love it. It's amazing. I use it every day. And on my hair, I've used Tom & Guy sea salt spray for some texture to add the ocean kind of look. So from here, I've got this even canvas and I just want to add some colors. I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to go ahead and prep for my evening with just a few simple products. First, I'm going to use Rockaterra blush from Benefit and the 129 brush from MAC to sweep a flush of color over my cheeks like this. And just a quick sweep over my eyelids. That adds a little bit of color and a little bit of warmth all over my face. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of a highlight just to lift my eyebrows and brighten the inner corner of my eye. I'll be using the 217 brush from MAC as well as MAC Mineralized Palette. I'll be using the 217 brush from MAC I'll be using the 217 brush from MAC as well as Lightscapade, the mineral powder, to go up and underneath the arch of my eyebrow and even just a little bit above. To add some height and a little bit on the inner corner to brighten, and again a dash right on the cupid's bow of my lip. You'll see my face really start to take some shapes now. Next, I'm gonna prep my lips with Filthy Farm Girl. It's an awesome lip balm featured in this month's indie gift box. It is all natural ingredients, coconut tasting, it's fantastic. So I'm gonna prep my lips with a coat of that to keep them hydrated. And then I'm gonna use MAC lip gloss in Lychee Luxe to add a little bit of a tint. Now I use the lip balm as a base because it adds a little bit of smoothness. It doesn't have that sticky consistency that MAC lip gloss is known for. Next, I'm gonna prep my lips with an awesome lip balm from a company called Filthy Farm Girl. It's their coconut. It is 100% natural products, handmade, it's awesome. So I prep my lip. It's got a beautiful smooth consistency. I'm gonna use it as a base for MAC lip gloss Lychee Luxe, which we know MAC lip glosses can tend towards the stickier side. So what this does is allow for me to have a sheer coverage that's not as sticky, that kind of goes in a little bit more with that casual vacation feel rather than a lip that has to be maintained. There you go. Something a little softer, but still has that awesome coral flare. I'm gonna finish this off with eyebrows and mascara.